everyone. Thank you for joining another exciting tech video brought to you by the KW Tech Training Team. My name is CJ Johnson and I have the honor and privilege of being a training specialist on the Tech Training Team. Now, this video series is called Dive into the Details of DocuSign, and the objective of this video is having you understand how to create folders in the DocuSign room so that you can organize your room and also upload those folders into Command. Now, this is all for the goal of you increasing your DocuSign knowledge. We are now in the DocuSign room, and I'm going to show you how to create these folders. Now, all we have to do is click on the blue Actions button on the right-hand side of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that blue Actions button. Now, after we click on the Actions button, what we're going to do is select Add Folder. So I'm going to click on Add Folder. In this moment, we're just going to select the folder name. In the past, a lot of agents might put signed documents as a folder. So I'm just going to put that here, but obviously you can create whatever kind of title you need for the folders that you're going to create here in the room. I'm going to go in once again and create another folder. So I'm going to go into that blue Actions button and go ahead and create one for my PDFs as well, just to give you more examples here. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can get these forms into the folders. Now, we can simply just click and drag. Very fun way to add those forms to the folder. Notice there's a blue block over that. You'll wait to see that and then release into the folder. Voila. Now, another cool way to get these forms or PDFs into the folders is just simply right-clicking over that PDF or form, going to the option that says Move. It'll say Select a Destination. We're going to select Folder, and then we'll just select the folder we want it to go into. Got the PDF folder there, and then we'll just click the blue Move button. Voila. Remember, these folders are collapsible, so I can click on them, collapse them down, and really get some good organization here in the DocuSign room. Okay, the last piece of this that I want to show you is how this integrates with Command. In the Documents tab in our Opportunities, this is where we're going to upload those signed forms from DocuSign into Command. The right-hand side of the screen, we're going to see where it says Attach Files From. Now, we're going to select DocuSign here so that we can get those forms that we just had signed there over into Command. And then to the right of that, you can see it where it says Working Folder. This is where we can see those folders that we just created in DocuSign now appear in Command to utilize. So I can go to Signed Documents or whatever, folder I'm looking to choose here. And then when I go to those placeholders, I'll see the signed forms that are in that folder to utilize. Thank you for watching this video. We trust that you are now ready to conquer your business and take it to the next level. If you have any questions, just email our tech training team at learncommand@kw.com. And if you'd like to attend a live hands-on virtual training, scan the QR code on the screen and sign up today.